Hi. I will explain how to control pay per deletion payments or charges. To control pay per deletion payments is very easy. Let's say that I'm going to go right now to the dispute center of this client, which is just a test. So I have all these disputes in progress. So now, whether you do it automatically, by downloading the next creative report, or you do it manually, by changing the status, you'll see that when the status is changed to deleted, for example, the paid column has to be paid, and the pay per deletion dollars or amount is in this case 15, because it's an inquiry. Now, if I go to, let's say, late payment, and I do the same, I click delete, I have to be paid, and I have 25 as opposed to 15. So, where do I change these numbers? Well, these numbers are related to the type, so I have to go to selection lists, and then to types. And in here, I see the per item amount. You see, this is related to the code, like round 1, round 2, whatever, and we have the same, so as it should be, and etc. So we have different, you can change them, just by going here, and editing this particular line, for example. So potentially, it's possible to say that if you delete the banner ups in your first round, you're gonna potentially charge less than if you do it in the round number 7 or something. So potentially, or you can have the same amount as we have here, by default, or suggestion to default. So this is the place, so the dispute type list, that's where you change, or you potentially can change this amount 15, 25, etc. So in the case of judgment, for example, here again, I'm gonna put deleted, and I have 100. So these numbers are modifiable, or these amounts. And then, you can know, or when you go to the bottom you see the total of the pay per deletion. Now, you can well request this money. You can copy these items to the invoice, and charge your client, and once they have paid, you can substitute the status from to be paid, to eventually when you do the invoice you can change it to invoice, and then when they are paid, and your client pays you, you can substitute to pay. So the 3 stages are, deleted, it comes to be paid, then you can put it into invoice when you create the invoice, nothing changes here, and when you click paid, well, now it is paid obviously, it is not to be paid. You can select, for example, if this one let's say that is still to be paid, you can click on the blue arrow, and select all the ones to be paid, and have only these 3. That is a way that you can do. Thank you.